Let's take a look at replacing the interior dimmer switch on this 2003 Ford Escape. So this is relatively straightforward. You can see we've got the driver's door open. We've got the fog light switch here, a little coin pocket here, just to the left of the steering column. This is where the switch is that would make the interior lights brighter and dimmer, or rather the instrument cluster lights. So you can see I'm just using a 90-degree pick tool, and I'm going to pop this loose. We don't even have to pull any panels or anything like that. Simply remove it. I'm going to grab the two tabs, plug in my new unit, and pop it into place, and just like that. See just how straightforward it is to replace the interior dimmer switch on a 2003 Ford Escape.